This is one of the last great V8 performance SUVs that you can still buy brand new. What if I told you Dodge still sells a 3-row SUV with a supercharged Hellcat V8 all-wheel drive and enough power to embarrass just about any sports car? This is the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak all-wheel drive, and it might be the most unhinged family vehicle that you can still buy. Let's break down what you actually are getting according to the window sticker, and whether this nearly $97,000 Durango makes any sense at all. So let's start with the headline feature. Under the hood is Dodge's legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, and that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. This is full Hellcat power in a 3-row SUV. You get adaptive damping suspension, performance-tuned steering, and massive Brembo brakes with 2-piece front rotors. There's an electronically limited slip rear axle, multiple drive modes, including track and sport, and yes, it has launch control, because apparently Dodge believes that school drop-offs should be dramatic and loud. Despite its size, Dodge didn't just phone this one in. This Durango comes with adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel traction control, and electronic roll mitigation. It's designed to actually handle the power. You also get the trailer tow group, blind spot monitoring with trailer detection, and trailer brake control. So yes, this Hellcat Durango can tow, and it can tow confidently. This is the Jailbreak edition, which means customization is the entire point. This one features green machine exterior paint and black interior accents and forged carbon fiber trim. It rides on 20-inch aluminum wheels with optional orange brake calipers. And it still looks like a Durango, but the details tell you more. This is not a normal Durango. It's subtle, it's aggressive, and it's unmistakably Dodge. Inside you get Laguna leather performance seats, and the front seats are heated and ventilated, while the second row also has heated seats, and there's a heated steering wheel as well. Technology highlights include a 10.1-inch touchscreen running Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, navigation, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and you also get the Alpine Premium audio system with subwoofer. Up front, there's a digital gauge cluster with SRT performance pages, plus front and rear park assist and a rear backup camera. It's a mix of muscle car attitude and real luxury, without forgetting that this is still a family SUV. Let's see, what are we going to do here? Let's go drive modes, sport, launch control. You ready for launch? Vehicle must be on level ground. That is a sample, small sample of the sound you're going to get out of the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. It is a loud muscle machine. It's got a V8 engine and it is powerful. This is going to get you up and out where you want to go quickly, but with a lot of noise. I'm in the neighborhood, so I'm keeping it down because I don't want the neighbors to get concerned about racing around the neighborhood. Otherwise, the interior is actually quite quiet, even with that loud engine noise. We've got extra dampening built in to really keep the noise down. We've got a nice black interior, white stitching, nice design on the hard surfaces. We've got a nice digital gauge cluster in the front here, totally configurable to what you want to see in your driving gauges. Then you've got a nice 10-inch screen right here that has navigation, has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, and it has also vehicle capability where you can change your vehicle settings. Lots of options on how to get this vehicle configured the way you want to configure it. If you want comfort, your comfort settings are on the screen, but they're also down here in hard buttons. Very nice to have that option. Got heated and ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel. Then you've got all the comfort settings right here, standard buttons, or on the screen in front of you. Then down below the air conditioning and heated buttons, you've got the SRT control, launch control to give you that extra power, hazard lights, which I've hit a couple times when I'm reaching in to get my phone. I've noticed that hazard lights have come on, so something you want to watch out for. Then you've got the traction control, parking assist, so you can see where you're going park-wise, and then lane keeping assist button right down here. I've also noticed that there is only a rear camera. I don't see a front camera. You've got a rear camera that you can actually turn on while you're driving just to check what's behind you. And then you've got that third row headrest. When my grandson is in the back seat, of course, they've got to put the third row headrest up and turn it down, put it down, just like that. So some cool features in this 2026 Dodge Durango 3-row SUV. It's nice and comfortable. We had some family here this weekend to celebrate my birthday, so we had enough room to carry people to and from our events. Very nice to have 3 rows of seats. Of course, the drawback of having a powerful V8 like this, it's going to be a gas guzzler, and in fact I'm getting just under 13 miles to the gallon driving this Dodge Durango Hellcat. But you're not doing it, you're not driving it to save fuel. You're driving it to get power, to get towing capability, to get muscle madness, to really show what you've got. When you want to get up and go, this will do it. Standing out as the Dodge Durango muscle car, SRT Hellcat Jailbreak Edition. Here's how the numbers break down. The base price is $79,995. You've got options and packages that push the price higher. And then there's the destination charge. The total sticker price as tested, $96,920. That puts this Durango in luxury SUV territory. But none of those offer a supercharged V8 with this much personality. Warranty coverage includes 5 years or 60,000 miles on the powertrain and 3 years or 36,000 miles of basic coverage. Pretty standard for a high-performance vehicle. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat Jailbreak is ridiculous, and that's the point. It's too powerful, too loud, too thirsty, and absolutely unforgettable. This is one of the last great V8 performance SUVs that you can still buy brand new, and Dodge knows it. If you want the fastest, angriest, most muscle car energy 3-row SUV on the market, this is it. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense car reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you daily drive a Hellcat Durango, or is this just a beautiful, unnecessary vehicle? Thanks for watching Car Guy Drives.